Coffee Talk is being brought to you by Advantage Credit Union, 700 Stumbo Road in Ontario. Visit them online at advantage4.org.
Well, hello, old friend. How are you?
Welcome to Coffee Talk. I'm Jay Fox, and we are live on location at Advantage Credit Union today. And joining us is the brand new Chief Executive Officer. Wow, this is huge. Cam Grayson, welcome to the program.
Thank you.
So what's it like to sit in the old chair that Bob Grove once occupied? Those are big shoes to fill.
It is, but actually it's very exciting. It's very exciting. We got a lot of new things that we want to get started on, and we want to grow. We're over the COVID problems we had, and so we're anxious for a brand new start and getting through, at least the second quarter at a profitable mark.
How long have you been with Advantage?
I've been with Advantage since, 1989.
Wow.
Long time.
So has your whole career been here, pretty much?
Pretty much,
Because
yes.
you're only 25,
Yeah.
so that would be right.
Yeah, no, it has. When I came here, I just felt such an energy, and I was so enthused, and so, with the membership and the philosophies and everything that it was about. I just knew there was a huge opportunity here to grow and to be a big part of the community.
Now, for most of you who are watching, it wasn't always called Advantage Credit Union.
No, Advantage was established in 1961 by the General Motors plant employees. They were local 549 members, and they named it Auto Workers Credit Union.
And when did the name change?
The name changed in 2009. The board of directors, along with our membership, selected the name Advantage Credit Union, and that allowed us to reach out into the community and have everyone reap the benefits of the largest locally owned credit union in Richland County.
So when we talk about a credit union, because not many people understand the difference, what is the difference between a credit union and an actual bank?
The difference is we are for people, not for profit. We are people helping people. Our rates are lower usually, but we offer the same services that any financial institution does. But it's mainly our membership relationship.
Would you say it's easier to get approved for a loan through a credit union than it is through a traditional bank? Or do the same stringent rules apply?
The criteria is the same. However, we work with our members. We make them, we want to reach the same goal they do. So we're more apt to work with our members to get their, whatever it is they need in line to approve them for a loan.
Now, one of the things that we talk about all the time is the Advantage Credit Union Advantage.
Yes.
What are some of those advantages? Why should people come here for a car loan, a home loan, a credit card? What's the competitive advantage?
The biggest advantage is we work one-on-one mainly, and we look at you as an individual. We're not looking as a big corporate bank, and we offer many of the same services that the financial institutions do. We work with you and your family. And we have one competitive product that other financial institutions do not, and it's our identity theft protection. And that is, one of our biggest selling products here.
Why would somebody want to steal somebody's identity?
They do it all the time.
So is it the purpose is to get money?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, they can run a phishing scheme, and they can get a hold of their account, and unfortunately it happens a lot. It happens with debit cards. It happens with just fraudulent solicitation of members where they get their information thinking they're some other kind of service, and they're not. However, we have a service here that monitors your account, and if that should happen and things look out of the normal, we contact our members and we say, hey, this is what you normally do. Is this something that you want to have happen on your account?
Did you make this purchase?
Correct.
was this authorized?
That's what they do.
Okay.
They verify that with our members, and and if it's not, then we jump on it and we redeem their identity and protect it from other unauthorized uses.
This is your first tenure as a chief executive officer.
Yes.
When you got the job, what went through your mind? How are you going to make your stamp on Advantage Credit Union?
Well, first of all, it was a surreal happening, but going forward, I think because of my experience here and all the options that are available to us and the help with our staff and our board of directors, we're going to make a big mark in the community. We're going to be expanding our membership. We're going to be looking at doing some other things with our growing our membership with our Visa card program and our identity theft card program, things like that.
And one of the things that you've done, and I thank you for it, is you are a sponsor of this program. Coffee Talk on WMFD will air, as you're watching right now, 7 o'clock on Thursdays, and then re-airs Sundays at noon, and sponsored in part not only by Advantage Credit Union, but by the Cove Coffee Shop and Pizza Company, our friends at Hamilton Insurance, and Athens Greek Restaurant in Ontario. And just for talking to me today, you will be awarded an opportunity to bring a friend to go have lunch at Ontario at Athens Greek Restaurant.
Great.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
Euros for everyone.
Yeah.
And they're really good too. All right, you're watching Coffee Talk on WMFD, and we'll be back after this.
Coffee Talk is co-sponsored by the Hamilton Insurance Group, 1669 Lexington Avenue, Mansfield, and Ohio Mutual Insurance.
And we're back with more of Coffee Talk and live on location today at Advantage Credit Union in Ontario. I'm Jay Fox, and we've got a new face in the place. Amy Leinard is not only new to Advantage Credit Union, but new to the position. You are the Chief Operations Officer. Welcome in.
Thank you so much.
So where'd you come from?
I came from a credit union in Columbus, so moved up this way, closer to home.
See, now most people leave and go to Columbus. You chose to leave and come to Ontario.
Yeah.
What made the choice for you?
Honestly, when I came and met with Cam and Bob, it was just a wonderful atmosphere here. I enjoy that it's a smaller credit union and they're, all for their members and just their different benefits and things they have here.
So what does a Chief Operations Officer have to do? Do you have to do like everybody's job? And know it? Yeah, right?
Kind of. You want to make sure you know everybody's job, but it's more to kind of manage our teller staff over our loan department and help them. Also help with BSA and different training and different things that we do there for regulations.
You got to explain what BSA is, because I'm like, well, what is B? And I'm not sure.
It's the Bank Secrecy Act, so it's just different regulations that we have to monitor.
So you become like the compliance officer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what happens if somebody gets out of line?
Well, we just try to figure out why they went out of line and try to make sure we make them understand why they can't do something they can't. No, not here for sure.
No, the cool thing about Advantage Credit Union is that the same faces have been here for years. And you're the newest person. And were you surprised by the longevity of the employees here?
I was, and I think that's wonderful. It really tells you about a place when somebody's here for a long time. So, definitely.
What excites you about Advantage Credit Union? You've been in the banking business before, you've been at other credit unions. We asked Cam this, but from your perspective, from the balcony view, what makes this place different?
I really think they're out there to really help their members. They want to do people helping people, make sure that we can do whatever we can. If there is something, say, on their credit before they can get a loan, it's another way to try to help them build that credit back up. Look at it and say, well, here's a couple things you need to fix, and then we can give you a loan and help them do that.
And do you show them how to fix it?
We sure do.
How does one fix their credit when it's gone sour?
Most of them just seeing what's delinquent on there or what collection items are on there. Sometimes it's things you don't even know about. It could be a small medical collection that's really bringing your score down. So it's just finding out what those collection items are and pointing them out and having them take care of those.
So you guys run a credit report and then review it with your members.
Yeah.
and then say, item 17 needs to be addressed. You get on that, Jay.
Exactly,
Right.
exactly. And then if you have the ID Protect with the checking account, you'll get a copy of your credit report, and you can check it on your own too, and it sends you credit alerts to let you know if there's anything wrong with your credit, which can help you jump on it too, in case somebody reports something inaccurately.
And you guys have both online and app-based banking as well.
We sure do.
So you can access your account from anywhere at any time.
Exactly.
Yeah, and throughout the course of the rest of the show, we're going to, have those experiences and see the different things that you guys do here at the bank, at the credit union.
Exactly.
Do people make that mistake to say, I'm going to the bank, and you're like, no, it's really the credit union. But do people refer to you as a bank?
They do. I think most people have been, once they're a member of a credit union, they understand it a little bit more. I mean, you're a member, you're not just a customer to us. So I think just teaching them that. But
Now,
yeah, in the beginning, sure.
To be a member, and correct me if I'm wrong, you have to live, work, or worship in Richland County.
That's correct.
Okay. So we know how to prove live and work. How do you prove worship?
You just have to let us know what church you go to, and,
Okay.
and we can just make that as a note of what church that you
So it's the
attend.
honor system.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
When somebody comes in and they go to become a member of the credit union, do they have to make a large deposit to be a member?
No, it's actually just $5 to start. But
Okay.
currently, because of our 60th anniversary, we're offering a free lifetime membership until the end of the year. So we are
Sign
actually
me up. I'm already
putting the money in there for you. Yeah.
Oh, so you give them the $5?
We do, and we deposit it for them and make them a lifetime member.
That's awesome. Now, do you put the $5 bill in the drawer, or is it singles, or how does it work?
More of just a transaction on the computer.
That's
Yeah.
kind of cool. Now, you also do some things with credit cards where you reward people for
We
using
do.
their cards.
We do. Our Visa has a very low fixed rate, and we also have rewards points where you earn points for every dollar you spend. There's rewards like items that you can get, merchandise. You can get erase debt off your credit card where you can just erase something that you purchased, and point system like that.
So who's your favorite employee at the credit union? Is it Cam?
Well, of course.
Yeah, that would be the right thing to say, right? And what's the one thing that you think you're going to do that'll put your stamp on your tenure as COO?
I just want to help them achieve, better, loan volume, just bring in more members and whatever we can do to help the credit union.
Great.
Just grow.
Coffee Talk is being brought to you by Athens Greek Restaurant in Ontario. Visit them at 43 Lexington Spring Mill Road North. Back live with Coffee Talk in the drive-thru at Walmart.
Walmart, this is Advantage Credit Union.
Oh, that's right. We're at Advantage Credit Union, and we have all kinds of buttons to push. So we have to actually wait for someone to come here to do, this is the auto teller. They come in and they drive up, and they don't have to come into the bank. They can
Correct.
get all the services
Correct.
right here. And here's our first victim right now.
Okay, so she's going to be in lane 1.
Okay, so I'm going to press button number 2, right?
No.
No?
We got to do.
Thanks for coming to Walmart. No?
We're going to do press 1.
Thanks for coming to Advantage Credit Union. I'm Jay. How can I help you today?
Hi, I just want to withdraw some money, please.
No. Do you have enough in your account to cover it?
No, probably not.
All right, well, we'll see. Right through the tube. This is the most exciting part as it comes through the tube. All right, one moment, please. She can't hear us now, right?
Right.
She looks suspicious.
Yeah. No, she doesn't.
No, she doesn't.
No, she doesn't. And how much would you like to withdraw out of your account?
I'd like $20, please.
Already out of checking or savings?
Checking, please.
Already, give us one moment.
Thank you.
So
That
then
was very professional.
we grab this out
Oh,
so we can type in her card number.
okay.
So we're going to go to her checking. We're going to withdraw $20 and we have to post it. A receipt's going to print. Actually 2 does, but we need a signature on one, so we send the receipt that it says member signature
Right.
through the tube.
Now, did we give her a pen or does she have to bring her own?
There is a pen left
Oh.
in there. We normally leave them in there. Now sometimes it happens where the teller.
press the button?
Yes, you can. Hit the green
Everything.
one. And we put the 20 in there. We put her debit card, the most important thing, to make sure
Right.
that it goes back. It
And a
happens.
receipt.
Yep, and a receipt.
But we can't give it to her until she authorizes the transaction by
Correct.
signing.
Correct. And see, she gave her pen back.
She did, but she could have kept the pen.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Do you want to pull one?
I do. See a little Vanna White action? Pen, receipt,
Yep. So we keep.
signature,
Yep. So then we put that in there.
back in, pen goes back,
Yep.
close them up,
We'll send
back
it back
in the
through.
tube.
And then hit lane 1 and tell her thank you very much and have a good day.
Now what was my line again?
Say thank you very much and have a good day.
Bienvenido. Adios. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Voila.
That's awesome.
Yes.
Back with Coffee Talk on WMFD. Jay Fox along with Jen. This is totally random and unscripted. Okay, we're going to see how well you know. Don't smack my hand. I'm going into the cash drawer. Random picture. I have a $50 bill. Who is on the $50 bill?
Ulysses L. Grant.
Ulysses S. Grant.
Oh, well, thank you.
So, but you got Ulysses and Grant right. So, what do they win? They win that gift certificate. No, they win something. They win that gift certificate to Athens Greek Restaurant in Ontario for the buy one, get one free just for being on Coffee Talk. Now, this doesn't go in my pocket. This goes back in the drawer, facing correctly. So you've been watching Coffee Talk on WMFD TV, and we have been live at Advantage Credit Union. Want to thank our sponsors, the Cove Coffee Shop and Pizza Company in Ontario, Hamilton Insurance, also Athens Greek in Ontario, and I am going to apply for a new visa. That's what I'm going to do. In the meantime, you stay close. WMFD continues right here.